Instant cameras offer the joy of capturing immediate, tangible memories, allowing you to print photos right after taking them. They're perfect for parties, events, and travel, adding a nostalgic and fun experience to photography. Plus, they encourage you to be more thoughtful with each shot, since every photo becomes a unique keepsake. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 best instant cameras in 2025. For more information and up-to-date prices about the product we mentioned in the video, we also added the links in the description box below. To start our list, we're talking about the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12, our top pick for the best instant camera for beginners. The Instax Mini 12 is playful, compact, and very beginner-friendly. It has a bubbly, inflated silhouette with smooth curves and a lightweight body that's easy to hold and slip into a bag. The front houses a simple twist-on lens that powers the camera, and there's a nicely positioned selfie mirror beside the lens for framing close shots. It comes in several pastel colors, think mint, pastel blue, lilac, blossom pink, and clay white. So it's as much a fashion accessory as a camera. The controls are minimal, twist to power on, a shutter button, and an easy film ejection slot, perfect for first-time users. When it comes to features and performance, the Mini 12 keeps things delightfully simple while delivering reliable instant results. It uses Fujifilm Instax mini film prints, which are 62 by 46 mm, and a 60 mm lens tuned for flattering snapshots. The camera offers automatic exposure and flash control, so you don't need to fiddle with settings. You can point, shoot, and watch a credit card-sized print appear in seconds. There's a close-up mode for subjects around 30 to 50 centimeters, and a real image viewfinder with parallax correction helps you compose accurately at short range. Power is via 2 AA alkaline batteries, which can give you about 10 film packs worth of shots, though that depends on usage and flash frequency. There's also a film counter and film confirmation window, so you know how many shots you have left. For pros and cons, the pros are clear, super easy to use, cute compact design, instant physical prints you can share, and affordable Instax mini film. And the cons are, prints are small compared with square or wide instant formats, the built-in flash can fire frequently in low light, and film cost adds up if you shoot a lot. In conclusion, the Instax Mini 12 is an excellent starter instant camera, bright, fun, and intuitive. If you're after instant memories, tangible snapshots, and joyful moments without fuss, this gives you exactly that. Next up, let's take a closer look at the Polaroid I-2, our top pick for the best premium instant camera. The Polaroid I-2 is crafted with a premium, almost retro-futuristic design that blends classic Polaroid charm with a modern, professional feel. It has a solid matte black body with clean lines, making it feel like a high-end creative tool rather than a toy. It's noticeably larger than entry-level instant cameras, but is still portable enough to carry around for photo sessions. The front showcases its standout feature, the advanced 3-lens autofocus system housed in a beautiful circular module, and a built-in viewfinder with an integrated LCM display, giving it a pro camera aesthetic. Moving on to features and performance, this is where the Polaroid I-2 really shines. It's the first Polaroid camera to offer full manual controls, giving you the ability to adjust shutter speed, aperture, flash, and even distance focus. It has multiple shooting modes, auto for quick point and shoot, aperture priority for controlling depth of field, full manual for total creative control, self-timer, and even multi-exposure mode for artistic compositions. Its unique 3-lens autofocus system, paired with LiDAR technology, ensures sharp focus at nearly any distance, a massive upgrade over traditional instant cameras that often have soft focus. The I-2 produces images with the sharpest lens ever on a Polaroid, with vibrant colors and a signature film look that creators love. Plus, you can connect it via Bluetooth to the Polaroid app, allowing remote control and easier fine-tuning of settings. It uses Polaroid I-type film, giving you that classic square instant print with next-level clarity and detail. Now for pros and cons, on the plus side, the Polaroid I-2 is perfect for creators who want maximum creative freedom, offering manual controls, exceptional lens sharpness, and professional-grade results. On the downside, it's more expensive than entry-level instant cameras, and film costs can add up quickly if you're experimenting a lot. In conclusion, the Polaroid I-2 is the ultimate instant camera for professionals and enthusiasts. It's the first time Polaroid gives you true creative control in an instant format, making it ideal for turning every shot into an intentional, artistic photograph. And now we're going to talk about the Instax Wide 400 from Fujifilm, our top pick for the best instant camera for wide shots. The Instax Wide 400 stands out with its larger, bold, and functional design compared to most instant cameras. Its size accommodates the wide format film, giving you a bigger canvas for your photos. The camera has a clean, modern aesthetic with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold, even during longer photo sessions. The front houses the lens with a simple focus ring, and it comes with a retractable lens design that keeps it protected when not in use. The top features an easy-to-access shutter button and flash control, while the rear has a large film compartment door, making film loading straightforward. Its design is practical, durable, and built for social settings where bigger, wider photos make a statement. Moving on to features and performance, the Wide 400 is designed to capture memories in a broader perspective. It uses Instax wide film, which is twice the size of the mini format, making it perfect for group shot, landscapes, and moments that deserve more space. The camera offers automatic exposure, so it adjusts shutter speed and flash output for well-balanced photos, even in tricky lighting conditions. It also includes a built-in flash that can be turned on or off depending on your scene. The Wide 400 has a simple two-range focus system, one for close-ups and one for distance shots, ensuring your images are sharp and clear. The camera supports a self-timer and even includes a tripod socket, making it ideal for group photos without leaving anyone out. Now for pros and cons. The pros are its wide format film, which gives you bigger, more detailed prints, and its reliable automatic exposure for easy shooting. It's also great for capturing group photos. The cons are its bulkier size compared to mini cameras and the higher cost of wide film. In conclusion, the Instax Wide 400 is perfect for anyone who wants to go beyond the small prints of traditional instant cameras and capture larger, more impactful memories, making it the go-to choice for wide shots and group moments. Last on our list, we're talking about the KODAK MiniShot 4 Era, our top pick for the best overall instant camera. The MiniShot 4 Era immediately stands out as a modern, compact, and stylish instant camera. Its design is sleek and minimalistic, with clean lines and an easy-to-hold rectangular body that makes it portable and travel-friendly. The front of the camera houses the lens and flash, while the back features a bright LCD screen for framing your shots and reviewing images before printing. The intuitive button layout is designed for quick access, allowing even beginners to start capturing memories right away. Its size strikes a perfect balance between portability and the ability to produce large, beautiful prints, something that makes it unique in the instant camera market. Now, for the features and performance, the KODAK MiniShot 4 Era is the world's first 4x4-inch instant camera, which means your photos are larger and more impactful than traditional 2x3 or 3x3 prints. It uses advanced 4-pass technology to deliver premium quality prints with refined saturation, vivid colors, and a laminated finish that is both fingerprint and water resistant. This camera combines autofocus and face detection, making it easy to capture sharp, clear shots without fiddling with settings. What truly sets it apart is its hybrid functionality. Not only is it an instant camera, but it also works as a photo printer. You can cancel prints before they come out, or even connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to print your favorite photos directly from your gallery. And thanks to its affordable cartridge system, it delivers some of the lowest photo costs per print, making it budget-friendly for frequent use. For the pros and cons, the pros are its large 4x4 prints, outstanding photo quality, smartphone connectivity, and cost-effective printing. The cons are that it's slightly bulkier than mini instant cameras, and the cartridges still cost more upfront compared to digital-only options. In conclusion, the KODAK MiniShot 4 Era is the ultimate instant camera for those who want big, beautiful prints, premium image quality, and the flexibility to print directly from a camera or smartphone, making it the best all-around instant camera of 2025.